be mindful of that. Remember, you got your known, your unknown, and then your unknown unknown. You have to be prepared for all of that. So let's see here. Can you create a dating app within the B1 community? That's an interesting idea. I do have a networking space that we're putting together. I'll launch it and let you guys invite you guys to join first. It's called B1 Village. And it's a spinoff from B1 Connect. You might have heard me talk about B1 Connect and B1 Village. I want it to be a place where you all, after class, can go and connect with each other and meet with each other. And I want to set it up so that we can implement all the things that we talk about. Like, for example, I talk about having family business meetings. I want to structure something where you can go in there and set up a family business meeting and meet with other people that you grabbed and made into your relatives that are right here in the space. And we're almost done. I'm not inviting everybody. This is not for the whole Black community. This is for people that understand what the assignment is, what we're trying to do. I think it's so much more fun building with people that are just ready, that just understand, they get it, that are trained on wealth at a certain level. You don't have to be an expert. It's basic stuff. Like we should all own stock. We should own real estate. We should love our kids. You know what I mean? Like I respect Black men, respect Black women. I want to be mentally and physically healthy. Just basic ideas that you can unify around. Um, because if you go, I'm gonna tell you, like if you go to the All Black National Convention and you start playing, you turn on the music and it's like where are my niggas and my scammers at? A lot of people are going to be like, turn that off. Like they're just not going to hear it. There's not enough diversity in the world to leave space for the perpetuation of blatantly ignorant ideas that have been scientifically proven to be highly destructive to the Black community.